Remember that matter is the stuff that everything is made of. Matter has mass. It can be weighed. An object's mass is the measure of how much stuff or material makes up the object. Matter also takes up space. The amount of space an object takes up or fills is its volume. A paperclip takes up only a small amount of space. A book takes up more space. It certainly wouldn't fit in the same space that a paperclip can fill up. And you can take up more space than a book. You have a greater volume than the book or the paperclip. Matter comes in 4 forms or states on Earth. Matter can be a gas like air. Matter can be a liquid like water. Matter can be a solid like an ice cube. Matter can also be plasma. The plasma state is very hot. It is only found on Earth in lightning. It is also found in stars. A solid, like the ice cube or a book, keeps a certain shape and has a certain volume. It takes up a certain amount of space. A liquid doesn't have a certain shape. It takes up the shape of the container it is in. Liquids do have a certain volume. Liquids take up the same amount of space no matter what container they are in. If you measure a cup of milk in a measuring cup, the volume is 8 ounces or 1 cup. If you then pour the milk into a drinking glass and it still has the same volume, 8 ounces. You could also pour the milk onto the countertop. Its shape would change, but the volume would still be the same, 8 ounces. Air is a gas. When you blow up a balloon, you can see the air making the balloon get bigger. You can see the air's volume. You can see how much space the air takes up. Gases take the shape of their containers. A balloon is one container that can hold a gas. If the balloon pops, what happens to the air? It spreads out into the whole room. But didn't the room already have gas, air, in it? Yes, it did. The room is another container that can hold gas. The same amount of gas is in the balloon can spread out to fill another container. Gases do not have a certain volume. A gas can spread out to fill any space. Water is one of the most commonly found things on Earth. It can easily be seen in 3 different forms or states of matter. When the water's temperature gets below 32 degrees, liquid water becomes the solid we know as ice. If water's temperature gets above 212 degrees, it turns into a gas we call water vapor. Everything that takes up space and has mass is matter. The 3 most common states of matter on Earth are solid, liquid, and gas. Remember that there is a 4th state of matter called plasma. It exists in stars and lightning. It is rare on Earth. Water can be seen in all 3 forms, solid, liquid, and gas. It can easily change states. We can easily change the state of matter of water by changing the temperature of the matter.